The Manufacturing Futures Lab, the MFL, brings together researchers from chemical engineering, biochemical engineering, mechanical engineering, and chemistry. We want new challenges from companies, and then what we will do is assemble a multidisciplinary team, really bringing all the skills necessary together to address a particular industry problem.
UCL brings a number of things to Archipelago: skilled people, much better equipment, and they also have a deeper scientific understanding of what we're trying to do.
The connection with UCL is very valuable to us as we try to move into new areas, new modalities like mRNA technology, gene therapy. And the area that's been extremely valuable is the access to the talent at UCL.
The work we've done in the past with UCL has helped us to decide which areas to move into. For example, at the moment I'm exploring some microfluidic process models here at UCL. That means we can come to UCL and access a facility that can make microfluidic devices, and we can start to work with UCL to see how they might be able to benefit us in the future without having to invest in that expertise ourselves.
There are many opportunities when it comes to the engagement between industry and university. As university, we can offer insight to cutting-edge research and specialist knowledge and infrastructure, which could then be leveraged by industry to solve some complex problems and innovate the new portfolio of products.
One of the main challenges that companies encounter is scaling up from lab-scale facilities to semi-commercial demonstration plants that are needed to attract investors. MFL offers unique opportunities at an intermediate scale and therefore has industries to mitigate risks.
The overarching challenge at the moment is all around sustainability. Particular focus of the research is how we progress from petrochemical-based resources through to more sustainable feedstocks, and then using those to synthesize more environmentally friendly products.
Chemistry has changed a lot in the last 20 years. Our lab is mainly focusing on sustainability and biocatalysis to exploit enzymes to perform chemistry in a more sustainable way. As an example, recently we collaborated with a company on the development of new sustainable approaches for the synthesis of sulfoxide present in many drugs. Together with this company, we found a way of synthesizing this compounding in a more efficient and sustainable way, making use of an enzyme in place of a chemical reagent which normally is quite flammable and dangerous.
We as an organization have a huge push towards sustainability. UCL have also identified this. When we come to talk to them about it, they're already thinking about it and also thinking through the business side. That's something unique to UCL. That's the value that we really find there.